That's better. Yeah. She sent me cute pictures just to tell me that she ugly. I don't even know why the fuck she say she love me. And you know she want me for my motherfucking money. But that shit ain't funny. Throwing shade is sunny, it's sunny. Oh, why you crying all the time, baby? Why you do these things to me? Hey, yeah, rob my blind. Fuck my life, take my time, wasted by ain't shit free. Word. Hey, never thought that I could fly until I fucking touch the sky. Everything is fine. Hey, yeah, trapped inside my own mind. Damn, I think my life's a dream. Yeah. She sent me cute pictures just to tell me that she ugly. I don't even know why the fuck she say she love me. And you know she want me for that motherfucking money. But that shit ain't funny. Throwing shade is sunny, it's sunny. I don't even know why the fuck she say she love me. And you know she want me for that fucking money. But that shit ain't funny. Throwing shade is sunny, it's sunny. Come here real quick. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Whoa. I don't wanna fucking talk about the drugs we do. I don't wanna take the time to fall in love with you. Why you hitting on my line, girl? What is up with you? I ain't nothing new to you. And yeah, it's true, all the fucking things you do led to this and now we through, yeah. I don't know why you crying all the time, baby, why you do these things to me. Hey, Austin, how y'all feeling? Okay, I need another big step forward. Alright, I need some water because it's mad smoking here. But yo, this next one's for my ragers. We got mosh people in here. We got people that like to jump around and just be rowdy. We can take a big ass step forward so we don't fuck anybody's booth up behind us. No, nobody's really. If I am, why can't you be? Come on. I'm like not even 6 feet tall. I don't even weigh 200 pounds yet. I don't even weigh 150 pounds. Come on, just take a step forward. We'll just bounce around, have some fun. I see this man in the back ready to take a step forward, and you gotta take this fucking step with me. Anybody that's behind me, if I stand up, kind of loud. There it is. Alright, that's fine, right? Yeah, that sounds good. That's fine. Alright, we getting sound check going in the middle of the set. Y'all ready to rage? I hope.
Damn, son, where'd you find that?
Give me mercy, I've been hurting for a long time. Murders happen on my block, I'm hearing shots at all times. If this bitch gon' split your shit, hop in it quick, it's that fire. Open up the bricks, hold all these kicks, legit, we get wild. The kick shit, no cowabunga. Run with the blade, coming to like brothers. Shorty suck me off like a vampire. My time is now, I ain't getting younger. They been in my blood since I was young. Made it out the slums with my fucking brothers. Let me catch those races on the train we chase. Got them bitches running, cemetery gates up and can't get open. Split a leg, I'm thugging, I'm blowing in front of king. And I double roll it, I'm just trying to tell before the world exploded. I'm the greatest that I've been known. And I get on these speakers, I'ma leave you lonely. Can't tap you up if you don't fucking know me. Been busting these pieces, 03 OG. I'm so free, rest in peace, family. We gon' make all these cheese to hold your memory. Yeah, we do this for you. Rolling up, we smoke for you. If they run up, it's smoke for them. The shooters, they gon' shoot for you. And that's the truth. Yeah, they see like the way I got that sheesh. Yeah, if you come through Kevin, take your knees. Yeah, welcome to the show, little ho, just take a fucking seat. Shorty said I need more, I just hit that little XD. Yeah, I just hit that little XD. Yeah, I just hit that little XD. Bitch, yeah, I just hit that little XD. Yeah, I just hit that little XD. Yeah.
How we feeling now? Word. Can I get a little bit more noise? That wasn't enough. Come on. How y'all feeling? Alright! This is only the first act! Stick the fuck around. We about to get lit. You like that one? Alright. This next one's called Change. Triple A. Got my head held high. Hey, I got my head held high. Ain't nobody in my lane. I'm in it for this music, for the fortune and the fame. When I get it, I'ma use it. This shit just a numbers game. They tryna trick you and flip you. The world gon' make you change. The world gon' try to make you lose it. Don't let go. Swear to God, I see my homies switch, but I let go. Better have no beef, we took it now, but now I know. Rather just move on than lose my life over some smoke. I don't know, shit's been on my mind a lot. Remember I was 15, having run-ins with the cops. Now I'm 20 and it's 20/20 vision, all I got. Find it funny, this ain't close to my last shot. I got dead out when I dropped, so it's the hit. Time is ticking and I'm in the minute. I don't need to watch, I'm a misfit. Got me token, poet, focused in my spot. I can't lie to you when I'm in this mood. I'm destined to find the truth when I'm in this mood. Tell me why you love me when you just wanna yeah. Ask me why I trust her when she just wanna Same reason that I trust them when they just wanna run. Fuck just playing games and I don't got no time for fun. I just work hard, hustle till I find a better way to feed my family. I'll be grinding like every day. This shit more than a pay raise, we just need some saving grace. I know that this forever, you can see it in my face. Cause my head held high, ain't nobody in my lane. I'm in it for this music, for the fortune and the fame. But when I get it, I'ma use it to make sure my people straight. They gonna try to trick you and flip you, but I won't change. I won't change for you, I won't do it, no. I had to burn some bridges, but I built a boat. And I floated to my castle, hop across the moat. I'ma turn the tides, it's my time to reclaim the throne. I've been up on the late night, bumping hits until it play right. I'ma play right, action on the stage in disarray when I display might. I've been up all night, but I retain all my focus when the energy's achieved. Check the vibe with Susie, baby, tell me anything you need. Snakeskin on my Buddha car, logo on my sleeve. She said she thinks she know me, introduced her to my team. I got no time for hoes to bang, and then one queen. Hey, hey. Boston, how y'all feeling? Alright, before I play this last one, how y'all feel about that one? That one's on SoundCloud, Spotify, Apple Music right now. Go fucking bump that shit. It's called Triple H. My name is Young Seuss, YOUNGSEUSS, like Dr. Seuss, no PhD, I didn't go to college.
Fuck college, bro.
Before I get out of here, I got one real unreleased song for you. And I'm gonna have to speak some truth. I gotta take a sip of my water before I do. Yo, that's the life pack. That's life, bro. I take a sip of this and I'm regenerated. Yo, can we just get a moment of silence for water? Hey, hold up. Shout out the life pack one time. Fuck it. Stay hydrated. Motherfuckers will pass out. You don't want that. Alright. Hey. I had a vision of a faint moon in the distance of a middle. To the right my skies were clear, to the left my skies were vivid, riddled with a mental storm intending to direct, connect the lightning bolt into my soul. Render me a memory of mind control. It's unforgiving, but I keep my mental unforgetful. Dreams that put me on a pedestal and show me heaven, told me let go. Enlightened by a light and return to earth with something that I had known, but now I could truly see it. As it's shown, I am here to speak it. Like truly what we is in. Nobody realized the entirety of this world is trusted within the things we be speaking. Angels and the demons only exist if you choose to see them. We hold the key to hell and heaven, representing daily struggles that we face with this paper that we chase versus everything that's real. As the fear that rules this world gon' try to take the side I play. It's really about the things you feel and how you feel towards what's around you. The things you share with others be the very things that ground you. Most people letting fear have it, cause we distracted by our habits.
habits. Generation better wait to throw their money in a casket. Stock market crashed and that was back in '08. Life was great, mom and pop still got along until they savings got erased. Now I'm worried that my parents gon' be working till they grave. I'm manifesting and I pray that we gon' see some brighter days. These words are meant for people in need of new mental gaze. Spirit conscious, to be honest, this is it. How my mental operate, but I maintain by giant scripts on my page every day. What the money do to this is your choice. Finesse the bands, construct the plan to raise your voice. Don't get lost in the land of the Lord. Expect the song that you need, yeah, avoid. Expect the song that you need, yeah, avoid. Expect the song that you need, yeah, avoid. They only love you when you're gone, and that's the truth in all senses. Losing friendships to this rap shit, feeling like a mental sentence. But I write it off, cause I know that I've been destined for greatness. And all of that fake shit gon' fade in the long run. Hopefully I'll make it, all my friends can come along with me. Gullies dropping bombs, cities gon' crumble as we cross the world to see a corrupt country of free privileged individuals oppressing the lesser we are. INDP and independence stays upon us. It be comfort that we crave, but I'ma choose to speak the truth. Tell you everyone, my family, God is with me in this booth. Whatever you choose to call it, soon as you acknowledge it is here. Haunted thoughts of fear and despair are revealed, but disappear in the same moment. Might be talking on potent, but it ain't hard to notice. We existing on a different plane of energy. It's me, I be free and present. I'm a reverend way I fucking preach. I ain't tryna lose myself or get caught up in all this greed, or end up like Cobain or be a Bobby to a Whitney. Shit, my G, we just some lost kids caught up in this city. We done found ourselves in Boston. Cold as fuck, I know you feel me. Man, I know you feel me. So, let me explain the story of that song before I get out of here. So before this shit came together, like, bro, it was the craziest day of my life, honestly. One of, at least. I never expected some shit like that to happen on the day that it did, but shit, I was just getting off my shift at Whole Foods. I quit my job before the end of the year because that shit just harbored way too much negative energy in my life, and I just need to make music for the rest of it, you feel me? But nah, so it was like 8 o'clock. It was like, for real, fuck Whole Foods, but it was like 8 o'clock and I was just done with my shift and I felt really great and it was a good day, you know, it wasn't too bad at work. But I got a text and like, my boy hit me and he was like, yo, you heard about Flea? And I was like, nah, like what are you talking about? So I called him. And like, as soon as I called this man, bro, like I burst into tears because this shit was fucking a lot. So Flea, if y'all don't know Flea, RP Flea, shit. This man was like an influence on the entire city. If y'all don't know who he is, he was in the modeling, doing the fashion, all type, everything. He had his foot in everything. For those that know him, like, bro, this man was serious, like. So, I got the call, this shit sucked. But I'm walking to the train station and I start writing that last song, and that's that moment, you know. So I just wanted y'all to give a, like, you know, I'm giving you a piece of me, so like I just want y'all to understand where I'm coming from with that shit. But shit, I'm Young Seuss, RIP Flea. Shout out Corey, man. And yo, we got a great lineup, so let's celebrate. We here to celebrate life, so let's do that shit. I love everybody in this fucking room. Shout out y'all, shout out y'all, shout out y'all, shout out y'all. Thank you very much. I'm Seuss. Thank you. I appreciate it.
I get it, hold you, I'ma flip my wrist. I get a bag, spinning on that whip. I get a bag, yeah, I get a bag. I just got it chose, spin it on my wrist. Yo, bitch, she done chose, yeah, she love my swag. I just came up and get no shawty tripping like she think we getting close. I got drillers on go, I got pounds in the post. I got loud in my throat, you got playing by a hoe. I be out here in the cold, I be out here with a bow. You can catch me out there posted at the fucking set. I like pass, I play with those, I like Ricky Leather.
Keep flexing my wrist this hot. Niggas all shit get in this knot. And that beef ain't scared nobody. I try to chop over here like a rocket. Big body cook with me back. Swerving and get to that money on payback. On God for the city, I'm Bentley. Try to rise, get hit with a monster. On God, and I stay with the chopsticks. I'm frosted, but I damn with some hard shit. Put it niggas so I know I'm a prophet. To the pack and I make me a profit. I shoot to the moon, I'm the man on the mission. I bend over and I fuck in the kitchen. I whip the pot to the wrist, I'm bitching. Call up the troops, I feel the tension. Let's go. Bitches can't fuck with these bitches. I count up the money, I count up the digits. Don't fuck with the gang, don't fuck with the squad. Stay through magic, nigga get busy. I don't play game when it comes to the pot. Even at red lights, I don't stop. They want me to push it, they want me to top. Like, what is your name? A nigga forgot. It's like a nigga got amnesia. New one on down on freezer. I'm a new little 10 shit sleeper. She a bad little chick, my keeper. Somebody go ghost, make you a ghost. Give me a Tommy, I'm doing the most. Big bitches when I'm driving the boat. Don't keep talking, I'm talking to coast. So put me on deck, that ass like a float. You know I get ready, that's what going on.
Yo, that next song you can run now. It's called what?
No, do your thing too, man.
Hold up.
Yeah, I like what? Maybe I'm spelling this song, baby, I need me a that. I got your gun in the hand, you said that she really slut. Shawty said she on period, I said that I would be on the sun. Started taking it serious, I ain't the show, I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I'm a dog, bitch, I'm a mutt. Don't go no hard, go in my gut. I'm in all like I'm tiger, but I don't be bumping, this shit ain't no bud. You better go make a cipher, bitch, I'm with the cyphers, and we in the gun. They don't be taking me serious, I ain't the show, this shit ain't no love, bitch. Fuck is you talking about? She never shut up, so I had to pull up on her, put my cock in her mouth. I had to pull up, I'm gonna pull up on her when I'm blocking her mouth. He never shut up, so we had to pull up on him, get the stuff in her mouth.
I swear my blood Jamaican, he can't stop it out. Made it through the winter and the summer with the stick in the couch. It's like 3 a.m. I know she's still coming out. She addicted to the dick and I be airing it out. Goddamn it, I'm picking my route. Don't give a fuck cause I hit it on doubt. How many licks they get to the clout? How many shots did I put in this house? You on nigga like Mickey your mouse. Don't give a fuck about the kid on the spouse. Bitch on the pill like they call a drug. Your pockets from Cali but mine further out.
I fucking your bitch and walking out. To the block I'm going. Big money's what I'm about. I'm a business store, came in to eat. Looking for beef, came up with a tree. I need me a piece. Mafia ties, let off the leash. Come through when I hit up the beat. 1, 2 when I'm up in the streets. 1, 2, now she gon' ring the treats. Bad niggas ain't getting no cheese. Fast cars, but I'm switching speed. Too cold, bro, back in the breeze. Too smooth, got your bitch on the knees. You choose, you down the scene. I'm all white, but I pull out a cream. I like what? Bitch, I'm spelling this summer, and baby, I need me a nut. I got your girl in the homie, you said that she wasn't a slut. Shawty say she on period, I said that I hope you know how to suck. She started taking it serious, I ain't the show, I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I'm a dog, bitch, I'm a mutt. Don't go no hard, go in my gut. I'm in all like I'm tiger, but I don't be golfing, this shit ain't no putt. We better go make a cipher, bitch, I'm with the swipers, and we in the month. They don't be taking me serious, I ain't the show, and this shit they don't love, bitch.
Yo, my name is DJ Tone. I'm an engineer, producer. I need beats, I need studio time. Let me know,
Start off the Addy, I'm feeling so groovy. You niggas so goofy. Story about guns, they do not amuse me. Niggas be capping. Went to Jet once, PC'd off the unit. My pockets Rasputin. You niggas be no rest, I love with computers. I move with them shooters. Put you in casket. You all like a pool stick. You niggas subconscious. You mad at your bitch, she like all my music. My life like a movie. Bitch for the chain, she feeding me sushi. My shirt is belong. My shoes are resting, my belt is from Gucci. She gone off the snow. I'm gone off the Addy, I'm feeling so groovy. You niggas so goofy. Story about guns, they do not amuse me. Bitch, I'm a slut. I don't feel love, this drink in my cup. These grams in my blood. Don't let this white fool you, bitch, I'm a thug. Whole fam gangsters, cause of ain't blood. I'm from the projects, moms with the plug. Jump up the porch, you catching them slugs. Smoking that gas, we smell like a corpse, you pussy boys toys. Making no noise, Asian the voice and your west of the void. Did like voodoo, fuck your bitch once, now she gon' cuckoo. Light skin new, skin like you, fuck her in a tutu. My life like a movie, bitch with jeans, she feeding me sushi. My shirt is be long, my shoes are resting and my belt is from Gucci. She gone off the snow, I'm gone off the Addy, I'm feeling so groovy. You niggas so goofy, story about guns, they do not amuse me. Niggas be capping, wasn't Jet once, PC'd off the unit. My pockets Rasputin, you niggas be no rich on top of computers. I move with them shooters, put you in casket, go on like a pool stick. You niggas subconscious, you mad at your bitch, she like all my music. My life like a movie, bitch from Beijing, she feeding me sushi. My shirt is be long, my shoes are resting, and my belt is from Gucci.
Hey, yo, make some fucking noise if you high in this bitch. Yo, I'm high as shit. I'm about to sip on this here agua, right? You feel me?
Actually, I'm gonna sip on that there Dulce, right? You feel me? And then we gonna get into Monday Night Raw. Cause we gonna keep this shit lit. Then I'm gonna get into some smooth, you know, some cool shit. Niggas not me bitches there. What can I say? I'm very rare. I break the weed and put constipating in. Sip the liquor, holy grail. I blow the booth everywhere. So much loud I can't hear. Ayy, yo bitch wanna suck on my mini me. Said she want kick it like centipede. All in the legs like parentheses. Then we turn up at the double tree. Homegrown be the company. Boss Stone be the fucking city. All the real niggas, they ain't fucking with me. If you want your bitch, you better hide your bitty. Swag in the sauce. Slutty boys going north. Got some money, need more. Smoking green bubble soul. Fucking bitch in Jesus slippers. Now she praise me like the Lord. All hell to slut God. Yeah, whoa, hey, ho. Cause he's a savage, my skill above average. From landing to lost with the snakes and the lions. They grip automatics. I'm circling through traffic. My bitch on the ratchet, but felt like a carrot. Watching for knockers when moving the package. Over jealousy, they put you in casket. Don't you hesitate when pulling the ratchet. Boy, that y'all believe you still like a cactus. Roll a blunt, shit smacking. Nature boy with the cabbage. Classy known everywhere. I'm cozy like lawn chair. Roll a pound of that stunner kush on the golden boy Ric Flair. Hit a nigga with the chair. Yeah, whoa, hey, ho, bitch, you think of Ric Flair? Designer for every nappy hair. Niggas not be bitches there. What can I say? I'm very rare. I break the weed and put constipating in. Sip the liquor, holy grail. I blow booth everywhere. So much loud I can't hear. Ayy. Ayo, make some fucking noise in this bitch. So this next shit we about to get into is called Trenches. I got a little EP I'm dropping, it's called Off the Porch. So
last cloud, she want my pistol in bed. I do the dash, but I travel back. I drip like Splash, that's why these niggas mad. I beg your pardon, my niggas take off like missiles. 2 G's upon us, my Gucci shoes, they got crystals. Need that Johnny Dang, diamonds here, Jackie Chain. VV, everything, diamonds dripping like the rain. Pulled up Bruce Wayne, all black everything. She on the Touche Main, bathroom snowing. Young nigga from the middle of the city. When the niggas do you crazy, spinning block till you dead. Down in the trenches, know my brothers got my back. Those nuts and pistols, so I'm jugging in the trap. Eyes on my head, but girl, so no one's on my back. Can't fuck with over there, this rest up in the trap. My little shoulder flat, like how you do that. My shorty bad as fuck, she looking like a snack. Got cold like polar bear, my niggas moving that. She a hot girl, I'm a slutty boy, that's facts. Can I get a year?
you know, I be riding with my niggas. Those are my brothers and shit. Smack a nigga. He gon' smack a nigga. I don't like that nigga. He don't like that nigga. What the hell is that?
What's wrong with that?
Yeah, my nigga Abdad's supposed to be here, man. Shout out my nigga Abdad, he's not here. We still gonna do this pull-up shit though. Bro,
pull up, chain like roll out my wrist so froze. No we flex tower. Got your bitch on tour. Pull up butterfly door. Hop off gang on go. Kick dough, gotta get low. Pop, better get low. Pull up chain like roll. Now my wrist so froze. No we flex tower. Got your bitch on tour. Pull up butterfly door. Hop off gang on go. Kick dough, gotta get low. Pop, better get low. Hop out in the bento. Watch out for Jimbo. Bust jugs in the Brento. Get money, shit simple. Rap Simmons all up on my toe. Call my garçon on my hoe. On my V-Lo, leave me alone. I'm me, yo, you just a clone. Go your bad way, I keep it ratchet. Bad bitch, all about that cabbage. Tryna take a ride in my cabbage. Blood fat, looking like a carrot. Yeah, I fly kinda like a parrot. We loud, straight up out the casket. Way too loud, I know you couldn't hear it. Truth or dare, I know you wouldn't dare it. Pull up, chain like bro. Now my wrist so froze. No we flex tower. Got your bitch on tour. Pull up, butterfly door. Hop off, gang on go. Kick dough, gotta get low. Pop, better get low. Pull up, chain like bro. Now my wrist so froze. No we flex tower. Got your bitch on tour. Pull up, butterfly door. Hop off, gang on go. Kick dough, gotta get low. Pop, better get low.
Big bang, roll. If you kill vibe, you gotta go. Shorty bent over and pose. Cause she say she like my clothes. She living the drip, she feel.
So, as I said before, I go by the name of Surf Double Up. I got one more of them things for you. You feel me? You better just vibe out. All my blunt smokers and all that shit, get ready. All my niggas that like to dance or whatever, y'all can do your stuff too. This vibe. Turn that shit up. Turn that shit all the way up, like. Ooh. Hey, okay.
Daddy poppin' up the minivan, rollin' up and got me higher than the ceiling fan. Nigga, I don't give a damn, I don't really give a shit. Moving hella militant, niggas tryna fuck my future, always Scotty Pippen, bitch. And we don't babysit. 12 on the nigga back like I'm a patriot. Wiggle got it poppin' at the cut off for that lazy shit. Now I'm flexing till I'm 86. Whoa.
Hey yo, this is the last song I made in fucking 2019. I made this shit New Year's Eve. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Hey, can't keep me tied down for what you heard about. Can't keep me tied down for what you heard about. Can't keep me tied down for what you heard about. Can't keep me tied down for what you heard about. Can't keep me, can't keep me, can't keep me tied down for what you heard about. Can't keep me tied down for what you heard about. Let's go, that's the my sick go. Whoa, Journey hit me up like something Frisco. We go on the track, know how that shit go. Ain't tryna go back to the block, I'm tryna go. One day I'ma hit that plat. Walking out of paradise like one day I'ma pack that. My stuff going up, I got him shoot back at the NASDAQ. Give me the ass fat, and I need a base cube. Used to split the Uber, got to upgrade to the space coupe. Ice up on my chest, but that don't mean that I'm a safe school. Y'all ain't no shit, y'all ain't no shit. Yo, I see I'm a bitch, can't talk it up with shit. Yeah. Woo, hey, let's go, hey, let's go. Like, whoa, they keep me tied down for what you heard about. They keep me tied down for what you heard about. They keep me tied down for what you heard about. They keep me tied down for what you heard about. They keep me, hey,
Yeah, I'm tryna die with the money. Yeah, I'm tryna die with the money. I just might die for the money. I just might die for the money.
Is she gon' slide for the money? Stay 10 toes, do time for the money.
Go fucking go run for the money.
Oh, fuck around, might do crap for the money. Hey, time for the money. Hey, yeah, I'm tryna die with the money. Yeah, I'm tryna die with the money.
I just might die for the money.
Whoa,
I just might die for the money.
she gon' slide for the money. Stay 10 toes, do time for the money. If you go broke, you go grind for the money. Fuck around, might do crap for the money. Yeah, time for the money.
Shorty say that I'm delirious, cause I keep the money mysterious. Accountants didn't come to the crib. I'm about my vision, I'm serious. Shorty say that I'm delirious, cause I'm tryna hit on the period. Put on their neck, run up a check, let the music speak the rest. Yes, can't check me, no chest. Bitch, shorty wanna fuck, say less. Whoa, I'ma leave my kids on the chest. Whoa, just another kid tryna flex. Oh, life of Suzuli, that's all I'm on tour. I just step up for the phone up in Gucci. Yeah, cause that shit is on water, that shit is on ski. Oh, you can get stuff for a fee. Oh, bitch, I'm my boss like OGs. It's that quick over, it's my Chloe Lee. Oh, y'all niggas hating OD. I roll one up and then up to the breeze. Yeah, I'm tryna die with the money. Yeah, I'm tryna die with the money. I just might die for the money. I just might die for the money.
Whoa, is she gon' slide for the money? Stay 10 toes, do time for the money. If you go broke, you go grind for the money.
I might do crime for the money. Outside for the money.
Yeah, I'm tryna die with the money. Hey, yeah, I'm tryna die with the money. Hey, I just might die for the money. Hey,
I just might die for the money.
go. Is she gon' slide for the money? Stay 10 toes, do
Time for the money. Go grind for the money.
fuck around, might do crime for the money. Time for the money. Hey.
Whoa, yeah, like number four, hey, yeah, I'm hot, so I'm not gonna lie. Hey, but this, hold up. Let me
Mistake, different lesson, damn, I think I need a break. Wait, you say that's so chick, I shoot my shot, then I feel late. Wait, niggas feeling salty, I be saucy every day. She put my music every day. I might bust it till she break. No mistake, different lesson, damn, I think I need a break. Wait, you say that's your chick, I shoot my shot, then I feel late. Wait, niggas feeling salty, I be saucy every day. She put my music every day. I might bust it till she break. Hey, bitch, I put the Louis Vuitton, I'm a Don. Hey, up the buff the porch, you got it buzzing like Beyonce. I won't fuck with y'all say, way too cold for heartbreak. Hey, fuck with y'all say, got that way no Kanye. Over my lake, pull up and annihilate. Main bitch, falling on the bitch, yeah, it's annihilate. Spinning through your block, got you shook, stuck on vibrate. Make that back in my grave, I live on the house, let's go mistake. Been finessing them, I think I need a break. Wait, you say that's your chick, I shoot my shot, then I feel late. Wait, niggas feeling salty, I be saucy every day. She put my music every day, I might bust it till she break. No mistake, been finessing them, I think I need a break. Wait, you say that's your chick, I shoot my shot, then I feel late. Wait, niggas feeling salty, I be saucy every day. She bump my music every day. I might bust it till she break. I might bust all on the face. Got that new pack on the way. Lego really taking off. Y'all just taking up my space. I put Gucci on my waist. Only time I flow with snakes. And you really ain't that poppin' if your gang ain't on the same page.